Hi, and welcome to Presentation Progress. Today I'm going to see how to create Morph infographic in PowerPoint. If you like my video, then to subscribe so you will never miss any notification of my new video. So let's start. This is how it looks. You have a rectangle and a five rectangular shape which is in bearable and has a depth in 3D format. Then on and click, the color changes and you can have your text here. On another click, the second one appears. This is how it goes. So let's start. Insert the new slide, format background, selecting gradient. In the first gradient stop, I have selected fully black. In the second stop, I have selected black text one, lighter 25% for the second and the third one. Second should be in the middle. The first black should be in the top. And you can select type linear. After that, select the rounded corner rectangle. It should be in off axis one top. Top bevel, I'm selecting this one which is angle, and even it should be angle for lower one. To depth of color, you can select the size and putting it to 14. You can change its color, but while changing its color, you have to even change the depth color. Outline is no outline. Now I'm changing to white again. So I'll change it to white and place it at the position, and I'm going to copy it, send it to back, and in the same way you have to do it for all. Control plus D to duplicate. Go to transition and click on Morph. Place it a little about. Select red fill. And here I'm keeping the number 1. Control plus D to duplicate again. Select the second one a little higher. Again select this and change it to 2. Can change its color. Control+D to duplicate again. That is red color. And so this one. You have to do each of them on a different slide. Alright then. So how do you start with ignores? There are the 5 of them appearing on the top of the others, which are of the same size. So this is how you can make Morph infographic in PowerPoint. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can change the order and the color of it. Thanks for watching this video.